In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Miro. Whether you're sprucing up your brainstorming session or just adding a bit of flair to your projects, emojis can really help convey emotions and ideas in a fun, visual way. So let's dive in and see how easy it is to get started. First, you'll want to fire up your web browser and head over to Miro.com. This is the starting point for accessing all the creative and collaborative features Miro has to offer. Once you're on the Miro homepage, your next step is to log in. You'll find the login button prominently displayed at the top of the page. Go ahead and give that a click. If you're already registered, you can sign in using your email address. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker route, Miro offers the option to log in with your Google account. Simply choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Make sure your login credentials are handy so you can breeze through this part without a hitch. After logging in, Miro might direct you to choose between signing in with your existing account details or continuing via email. If you're not already signed in, select the Continue with Email option by following the prompts on the screen. This will ensure you're properly connected to your Miro workspace. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the board where you plan to add those charming emojis. From your dashboard, you'll see a list of your available boards. Click on the one you'd like to edit. This will open up the board and set the stage for your creative enhancements. Now let's locate the emoji icon. You'll find this handy tool on the left-hand side of the screen. It resembles a smiley face. That's your cue. Click on the emoji icon, and you'll be presented with a delightful selection of emojis to choose from. To add an emoji to your board, simply click on your desired emoji, and then click anywhere on the board to drop it into place. This method gives you pinpoint precision, ensuring your emoji lands exactly where you want it. However, if you prefer a more fluid approach, you can also click and drag the emoji directly onto your board. This drag and drop feature allows for quick placement and can be especially useful if you need to position multiple emojis in various locations. And that's it! You've now mastered the art of adding emojis to your Miro board. It's a simple yet effective way to infuse personality into your projects. Feel free to experiment with different emojis to see which best express your ideas. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more features that Miro has to offer. Happy creating!